Hello everyone, my name is Sophie. I'm 19 years old and I live in a small town in the United Kingdom. I live with my family and they are the most important part of my life. We are a happy family of 5, my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, and me. We live in a cozy little house. It has 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, 1 bathroom, and a living room. It's not big, but it's warm and comfortable. My mother's name is Emily. She is 41 years old. She is kind and caring, and she works as a teacher at a local primary school. She teaches young kids and wakes up early every morning to make breakfast for us. She loves to cook, and her food is always delicious. When she comes home, she helps me with my homework. She's very smart and loves to read books and tend to our garden. We have many flowers there. I love my mom so much. My father's name is David. He is 43 years old, tall and strong. He works as an accountant in an office. He leaves for work at 8 a.m. and comes back at 5 p.m. On weekends, he enjoys watching movies with us and taking us to the park. He loves to play football and teaches me to be honest and hardworking. I really love my dad. I have one brother named Leo. He is 16 and in high school. He is tall and funny. He enjoys playing video games and basketball with his friends. Leo is very good at math and helps me when I'm stuck. He jokes around sometimes, but I know he cares about me. We often play board games together. He wants to become a doctor. I'm proud of him. I also have a younger sister named Ella. She's 12 years old, small and cute. She loves drawing and painting. Her favorite color is purple. Ella tells funny stories and always makes us laugh. She's in middle school and does well in her studies. I help her with homework sometimes. She wants to be an artist. I love spending time with her. Every day starts early. My mom makes breakfast and we eat together. Then Dad goes to work and we go to school. Mom heads to her school too. In the evening, we all return home, eat dinner together, talk, and sometimes watch TV. On weekends, we clean the house, go for walks, and visit the park. My family loves holidays. On birthdays, we have small parties. Mom bakes a cake, and we give gifts and sing. On Thanksgiving, we enjoy a big meal. Dad cooks the turkey. During Christmas, we decorate the house, put up the tree, and hang lights. We open presents on Christmas morning. These are very special moments. Every summer, we take a family trip. Last year, we went to the beach and had fun in the sand. This year, we plan to go to the mountains. I cherish our family trips. I love my family because they love and support me. When I'm sad, they comfort me. When I'm happy, they celebrate with me. We share laughter, help each other, and live with strong values. Each family member has different hobbies. My mom loves gardening. She grows flowers, tomatoes, and herbs. I help her water the plants. Dad loves football and plays with Leo. He says it's great for health. Leo enjoys games and basketball and dreams of joining a team one day. Ella paints with bright colors, animals, houses, flowers, and dreams of being an artist. I love reading, books and writing stories. I want to become a teacher to help others learn. Sometimes life is hard, but we support each other. When Mom had a cold last winter, Dad cooked soup and I helped clean. Leo and I sometimes argue over the TV or games, but we always make up and say sorry. My dad dreams of visiting another country. My mom wants to open a small bakery because she loves baking. Leo wants to be a doctor. Ella wants to be an artist. And I want to teach children and make learning fun. One day, we hope to travel together, see new places, try new food, and meet new people. Dad always says, if we work hard, we can achieve anything. My family is my strength, my happiness, and my home. No matter where life takes us, we'll always be together. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this story. Remember, every story helps us learn and grow. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share.